Hello, this is Jain Boon, and this is video number 2 from the Creative Being Reflective Practice course run by Wahoon under the How You Doing 6 Mind Mind program. So I'm just going to take you through a 5-minute boundary exercise. So if you'd like to join me, then settle wherever you are, get yourselves comfortable. And you can close your eyes if you'd like to, or you can soften your gaze. And this works by envisioning and noticing a line that we're going to draw around the body. And you can decide how thick that line is, or even what colour it is. But first of all, we're just going to settle and just notice our right hand. And I want you to imagine that we're going to start at the right thumb, and we're just going to trace a line all the way around the fingers of the right hand, all the way up the upper arm, up the shoulder, over the head and onto the left shoulder. And we're going to carry that line down the left arm, down the left lower arm, and tracing the line all the way around the fingers, around the thumb, up the left lower arm, and then following that line all the way up to the armpit. And then it's going to come down the left-hand side of the torso, down the upper leg, down the lower leg, and around the toes of the left foot. And then up the left lower leg, up the left higher leg, and over to the right leg, all the way down again to the toes on the right foot. And then we're going to trace the line up the right lower leg, up the right upper leg, all the way up the torso to the right armpit. Tracing the line right down the upper arm, down to the lower arm, until it arrives back to the thumb. You can do this in your own time and take as long as you need to. I just want you to notice if anything's changed at all, if anything's shifted. Just noticing how you are in your chair, sensing your feet on the ground. Bring yourself back into the room.